of the sweetest love I know. Must I sing and make my art, which never at any hour can give joy to any heart. It's so sweet a grief I bear for my loyal lady love, that never have I served her ill. So I pray God above that she love me without guile, for my heart pledges her soul. Sense and worth and valor, beauty, goodness, visage clear has my lady, and honor this makes me remember here the joy and the grief I bear, for which I have served her so. Nor will I ever part me though for any other lady's cheer. For in the world there is no peer. This makes me desire so a sweet company to know. All my joy has its dwelling in loving most loyally, and this love goes constraining my heart so sweetly that my body makes no complaint. So grievous a martyrdom I bear. If through loving I grow worse, I await a gentle reward, for no man who loves well can have a torment or a care. The tears are not worth laughter that lady, whoever complains of the trouble you may give, as for me it brings no pains. The love that so makes me live sweetly does me constrain. So I know not what to say, nor dare I make refusal of your commandment in any way. I pray, love, that she teach me to do your will always, so that you have no eye toward me. Tell me what it might be that you so disbelieve me of, that this heart of mine should not be given to any other body or love. Certainly it would not do it for anything that might be born. If from you is severed, my sweet will fall on. Well, I know it would slay itself, for God mistrust me not in scorn. You are not deceived at May love never grant to me that I be loved by you. If wrongly she mistrusted me, the heart that you have true. Deceived be he who deceives that which to this heart is dear. More all you desire than all I know not if I have right here. Yet never will you love me so much that you are not more loved by me.